It's January 8, 2025 today, and I'm starting again my walking journey. Not totally a 10K steps journey, pero yung makakaya ko lang siya. So, na-stop ako ng ilang linggo or months, I guess. But that's it. I'm gonna start around 30 minutes to 1 hour until I get tired. So, medyo okay ang panahon ngayon kasi January, and then it's not malamig talaga yung panahon, which is okay sa akin. Hindi ako madaling mapagod, and mas longer siguro ang paglalakad ko. Ayan. Anyways, nasa papuntang Matarandok na ako. Santa Maria yung nilalakaran ko kanina. And that's it. Hopefully, I'll be consistent on my walking journey. And may share ko lang kanya yung mga kaikit